Hi everyone, my name is Abel Katoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consults. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT. We are actually going to be generating an auto leaps program that we will use in our ChatGPT for calculating our staircase risers. Okay, it's very important that artificial intelligence is actually coming massively, and it's very important that we take advantage of them while the knowledge is still young, because either we like it or not, it has come to stay. It has come to stay, funny enough, and is going to be taking over so many industries. Even the construction industry is not left behind. So the earlier you take advantage of these things, the better for us. Okay, so meaning of auto leaps. Auto leaps, it means leaps processing. Auto leaps is a dialect of programming language. Leaps used specifically for the use of Autocad, and then you can use it to generate an automatic repetitive task and extending functionality of the software. Okay, very important. So that's basically what you can use the auto leaps for. There is a whole lot we can do with our auto leaps. You can literally program anything you want to program and use it in your AutoCAD. It makes your work way more easier and way more faster. Okay, so let's jump right into it. As you can see, normally for you to be able to determine the number of your risers when it comes to your staircase, you have to know the height of the building, knowing your treads and all that. The calculation, even though it may not really be very rigorous, but it may take much of your time compared to when you can just actually automate this directly from your AutoCAD. Okay, so this can be automated and it will be there forever, and you can reuse it for as long as you want to use it. Okay, so we will be using the artificial intelligence called the ChatGPT, which I know a lot of us must have heard of ChatGPT. Okay, so basically we have already written down what we want to use in generating this from our ChatGPT. You can see auto leaps. Now this is the command we want to give to the ChatGPT. We are asking this ChatGPT to actually write an auto leaps. We said write an auto leaps to calculate the number of risers parameters like floor height, maximum riser, and height, maximum riser height given. Okay, so this is basically what we want this auto ChatGPT to help us generate. So from there we'll be able to know the number of risers. Okay, now to calculate this, all you need to do, come back to your ChatGPT. Let's come and create a new chart. If you create a new chart, this is actually how it displays. So if you are opening ChatGPT for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. So all you need to do is just to type in the instruction you want the program to help you generate. So we want ChatGPT to help us generate a program. So it's just like writing a normal program. For the programmers, will be able to easily relate to what I'm saying. Okay, so we will tell this ChatGPT to help us generate this program. Once we write in this and I could click on send message, then it will actually write the program for us. You can see the program is being written down by the ChatGPT itself. So I can go up, scroll up, or you can take your time to read. You can see the load the auto leaps function, type upload in the command. All of these, look at calculate the number of risers, type calculate risers. So this is the name of the program, calculate risers. Okay, so if you look at from the program here, the font this is calculate risers. So this is the name of this program. So all I need to do now is to copy this program. So I will copy it. If I copy this program now, then I will go to the AutoCAD itself. When I come to my AutoCAD, all I need to do is to type vlist. If I type vlips, this is vlips, I will click on it, and then I will click on file, and I will click on new file. So if I click on new file now, I will paste that program here. So this is the program that has been generated by ChatGPT for us. So as it is like this, all I need to do now is to, sorry, I think I have copied what I'm not supposed to copy. Actually, let me go back to the ChatGPT and copy just this. Okay, you can just simply use this, use the copy code. If you use this, if you click on copy code, it will just copy it. You can come here and paste it. Sorry, let me be sure of what I'm pasting. Paste. Okay, then I will save it as, I'll give it a name. This is lib source file, that's the file type, and then I will give it a name, stairs. Okay, let's say st chart, and I will save. So all I need to do now is to go back to where that file is and locate it. Okay, so I will come to, I already know where the location of the file is in my document. You can specify a location for the file. Okay, so if I come to my auto libs here now, you can see this is the file here called st chart. So I can just make this smaller. I can as well close this. So all I need to do now is just to drag this file now. If I drag and then I drop, once I drop it, it will ask me the publisher of the what always load. So if I click on always load, and then it will be there. Now you can see the name of the file is called calculate risers. That's the name of this file. So if I type cal, it will come up, it will suggest this calculate riser for me. So if I click on calculate riser now, it will ask me enter the floor height. So if I enter this height to be, let's say 3 meters, and I press enter, then it will ask me the maximum riser height. The maximum riser height I want to use for my design is 150. Okay, so you can see an error is actually coming up for me. So let's come back to it again. It's bringing up an error. So the good thing about ChatGPT is you can easily interact with it. So you can interact with ChatGPT and it will help you fix whatever problem it is. So if I copy this error now, all I need to do is to come back to my ChatGPT now, and I will type and I will paste that error and I will send. Now you will realize that the ChatGPT will now actually firstly apologize. Okay, now you can see I apologize for the oversight. The F mode function is not available in auto libs. You can use the rm remainder function instead. Here's the corrected code. So I will just click on copy. If I copy it now, I will go back to that file. It's under my file manager, and I will edit it, and I will delete what is there, and I will paste this new one here, and then I will save. So if I save it now, I will drag it and drop here. Once I drag and drop, it's already there. So I will click on type in calculate. You can see it suggests calculate riser for me. I will type the height and I'll press enter, and I will type the riser and I will press enter. Now you can see, okay, it's still giving me an error message. Okay, bad arguments, fix up. Okay, so all I need to do is to come back to my ChatGPT here, and then type in that error as well. So once I type in this error, then it will generate another code for me. Okay, so it will also apologize. All I need to do is to come back here and click here, and then go back to my file here, and then paste it here. Once I paste it, I will come back, and then I will drag this file and I will drop on my AutoCAD. So let's look for that file, ST chart. So I will type calc. So calculate risers, yes, height 3 meters, the maximum riser 150. So you can see the number of risers required is 21. So it is now telling us this is the actually number of risers that should be, that will give us for the height of 3 meters and for riser thickness of 150. We are going to be having 21 number of risers. So you can try it for any value or any height of your building. Let's say the building is 4 meters and then our riser is 200. You can see we are having 21. So let me change it to, let's say 3,500 height, then the riser is 200. You see the value changes to 18. Okay, so it changes. You can solve that manually to confirm what is giving you. It's very, very correct. So this is basically what ChatGPT does for you, and then you can use it similarly for so many other tasks. You can generate a lot of leaps. As we go further, I'm going to be showing you a lot of things we can actually do using our ChatGPT, integrating with AutoCAD and other softwares that are related in the construction sector. Okay, if you love what you are seeing, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight to design. Make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.